Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can lock chats on the WhatsApp because sometimes we want to hide our chat on the WhatsApp. So in this video I will show you how you can lock chat of your friends, family member or any other person. So without that lock, no one can open your chat and no one can see your chats. So in this video, I will show you how you can lock chat on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and click on the contact. For example, I want to hide chat of this person. Then click on profile icon and then scroll down the page, and here you will see chat lock options. Click on it. So click on continue and then confirm face or finger to lock. So after that you will see when I will scroll down it, and you will see lock chat options. So click on it and you can see that it asks me about fingerprints. So when I will use fingerprint, it will open. So without fingerprints it will not open. So in this way you can set privacy on the chats and lock the chats. So if you want to remove fingerprint lock or remove the lock on the chats, so again click on profile and then scroll down the page, and then you will see chat lock options and turn it off. So it will ask about your fingerprint. So after fingerprint, then chat lock will be unlocked. So in this way you can lock chat on the WhatsApp. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.